Welcome students, we are going to start pair of straight lines. This topic is very simple topic in first paper, pair of straight lines. इसके लिए हमको थोड़ा सा रिवीजन चाहिए जो कि 11th स्टैंडर्ड में आपने स्ट्रेट लाइन पढ़ा है. तो स्ट्रेट लाइन में क्या पढ़ा है आपने? इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इट इज गिवन बाय, दिस इज व्हाट जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, और ये है स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म of the equation of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन है. इसमें इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन में स्लोप होता है m इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x अपॉन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y माइनस a अपॉन b. ये टॉपिक बहुत ही सिंपल टॉपिक है, एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आपको स्कोरिंग है. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इज दिस, इट्स स्लोप इज गिवन बाय नेगेटिव कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x अपॉन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y दैट इज माइनस a अपॉन b. ये थोड़ा बेसिक हमको पढ़ना है. और इफ और लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन देन इट्स इक्वेशन इज गिवन बाय ax प्लस by इज इक्वल टू 0. उसमें कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं रहेगा, दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू mx. सो दिस इज द लाइन विच इज पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन. इट्स इक्वेशन इज गिवन बाय ax प्लस by इज इक्वल टू 0. अभी see u is suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 or v is a2x plus b2y plus c2. Then u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. This will represent a line. u is equal to 0 or v is equal to 0. This will represent lines. और उसका joint equation और combined equation होता है combined or joint equation of lines. Okay, this one line u is equal to 0. This is another line v is equal to 0. And their combined equation or joint equation, it is given by this u into v is equal to 0. ये pair of line, combined equation of pair of lines, u into v is equal to 0. और this is what combined equation. Now homogeneous equation is what? Homogeneous equation if degree of each term is same. अभी ये इक्वेशन में इसका x का पावर है 2, x और y का दोनों का पावर मिलके 2 होगा. दैट मीन्स डिग्री ऑफ दिस टर्म विल बी 2 एंड डिग्री ऑफ दिस टर्म विल बी आल्सो 2. सो डिग्री ऑफ ईच टर्म इज सेम, देयरफॉर इट इज अ होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन. एंड ईच डिग्री ऑफ ईच टर्म इज इक्वल टू 2, देयरफॉर इट इज अ होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन ऑफ डिग्री 2 इन x एंड y. फॉर एग्जांपल 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 3xy. Degree of this term is 2, degree of this term will be 2, 1 plus 1 it is. So it is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. Then next is, what is combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin is a homogeneous equation. This is a theorem. So theorem is what? Combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. So ये u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. These two lines are passing through the origin. अभी u is equal to 0 suppose represented a1x plus b1y and v is equal to 0 is represented a2x plus b2y. So their combined equation will be this. हम इसको simplify करेंगे. So a1 a2 x square please plus a1 b2 और b1 a2 xy plus b1 b2 y square. फिर a1 a2 को a रखेंगे और ये 2hxy प्लस by स्क्वायर. सो क्लियरली इट इज अ होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन ऑफ डिग्री 2 इन x एंड y. सो कंबाइंड इक्वेशन ऑफ पेयर ऑफ लाइंस पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन इज अ होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन ऑफ डिग्री 2 इन x एंड y. ये एक थ्योरम है. नेक्स्ट थ्योरम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम. ये थ्योरम हम एग्जाम में, बोर्ड एग्जाम में पूछते हैं. सो दिस थ्योरम इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर exam point of view. Theorem is like this, homogeneous equation of degree 2. मतलब ये इसका कॉन्वर्स है. इसमें क्या बोला है हमने? combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin is a homogeneous equation. तो इसके उल्टा मतलब कॉन्वर्स क्या होगा? homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y, that is this ax square 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represent pair of lines passing through the origin. So every homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y, it represent pair of lines passing through the origin. ये उसका कॉन्वर्स है। और ये थ्योरम ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, लेकिन आज का हमारा टारगेट है, अभी का टारगेट है कि खाली हम एक्सरसाइज के प्रॉब्लम्स को फोकस कर रहे हैं। सो दिस थ्योरम, प्रूफ ऑफ द थ्योरम विल डू in the next video. So at present you remember homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y, that is ax square 2hxy plus by square equals to 0 represent pair of lines passing through the origin. ये theorem है. So proof of this theorem is important. फिर उसके बाद what is mean by auxiliary equation? So auxiliary means what? Helping equation is what? What is mean by auxiliary equation? See, auxiliary equation of this equation ax square 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. Auxiliary equation, or it is also helping equation. Means what? Helping equation. So what is auxiliary equation? Now as we said, हमने क्या बोला है कि this homogeneous equation represent pair of lines passing through the origin. समझो y is equal to mx be one of the line. So this equation will satisfy this equation. So y is equal to mx will satisfy this equation. So we'll put this y is equal to mx over here. y is equal to mx रखने के बाद क्या होगा? See, ax square plus 2hxy by square is equal to 0. ये इक्वेशन है. इसमें हम y is equal to mx रखते हैं. So this will ax square plus 2hx mx b m square x square is equal to 0. फिर ये x square होगा, ये भी x square होगा. So we'll rearrange the terms. b m square x square नहीं लिखेंगे, x square भी कैंसिल, ये x square कैंसिल और उल्टा लिखेंगे. बी एम स्क्वायर पहले लिखेंगे, बाद में 2hm प्लस a इज इक्वल टू 0. सो ये इक्वेशन होता है ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन, ऑक्सिलरी और हेल्पिंग इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. दिस इक्वेशन इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय पुटिंग y इज इक्वल टू mx इन दिस इक्वेशन. ये इक्वेशन में हम y इज इक्वल टू mx रखेंगे और रीअरेंज करेंगे तो बी एम स्क्वायर प्लस 2hm प्लस a इज इक्वल टू 0 इज द ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन, इज द ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन ऑफ हेल्पिंग इक्वेशन. अभी ये इक्वेशन जो है इट इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन m and every quadratic equation have two roots m1 and m2. Suppose m1 and m2 इसके roots है, so that roots are nothing but slopes of the lines. That roots are nothing but what? Slopes of the lines. So sum of the roots means sum of the slopes. Sum of slopes of lines, that is m1 plus m2 is equal to minus negative coefficient of m upon coefficient of m square. मतलब क्या है? minus 2h upon b. This is what sum of the slopes. Then sum of the slopes is this. Then product of the slopes is what? So product of the slopes, sum of the slopes is this. Product of the slopes, product of slopes of lines is equal to m1 into m2, and which is equal to constant term upon coefficient of m square, that is a upon b. This is sum of the slopes and this is product of the slopes. m1 into m2 is a upon b, is the product of slopes. Sum of the slopes is minus 2h upon b and product of the slopes is a upon b. याद रखो आप, ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन इट इज bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0 and this is obtained by putting y is equal to mx. हम इसमें y is equal to mx रखेंगे तो ये इक्वेशन मिलता है. ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन m है, इसके टू रूट्स है, सम ऑफ द रूट्स और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्स गिवन बाय दिस minus 2h upon b and a upon b. एक्सरसाइज 4.1 इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. Find combined equation of pair of lines. These are three questions. Third sub question is this: passing through this point 2, 3, and it is parallel to the coordinate axis. See, we find combined equation or joint equation of lines which are passing through this point 2, 3, and they are coordinates. The lines are parallel to the coordinate axis. So coordinate axis means x axis and y axis. Our lines are passing through this point 2, 3, and this one line is parallel to y axis and another line is parallel to x axis. So ये लाइन जो है पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस, उसका इक्वेशन होगा इट इज पासिंग थ्रू दिस x इज इक्वल टू 2, so its equation will be x is equal to 2. Now this line is parallel to x axis and it is passing through this point 2, 3. इसका इक्वेशन होगा y is equal to 3. So that we find joint equation of these two lines. We find what? Joint equation of these two lines. So joint equation of these two lines will be x into x minus 2. See, joint equation will be, equation of this line is x minus 2 and equation of this line is y minus 3. Y minus 3 is equal to 0. So u into v is equal to 0 is the joint equation. U into v is equal to 0 will be the joint equation of lines. So simplify करना होगा आपको x square xy multiplying this xy minus 3x minus 2y and minus 2 minus 3, that will be 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. So very simple question. So this is the answer. Xy minus 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Next is fourth sub question. We find combined equation of pair of lines passing through this point 2, 3, and one is perpendicular to this line and the other is perpendicular to this line as well as this line. So we attempt this fourth sub question. See, first of all, you should note that slope of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is slope of this line? Slope of this line is given by m is equal to minus a upon b. Negative coefficient of x upon coefficient of y is the slope of line. Now when two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. But when two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is m1 into m2, that product of slopes is minus 1. That means slope of one line is negative and reciprocal of the slope of other line. इसका मतलब m2 will be equals to minus 1 upon m1 when the lines are perpendicular. जब lines perpendicular है, product of slopes will be minus 1 और एक लाइन दूसरे लाइन का नेगेटिव एंड रेसिप्रोकल स्लोप होता है. So we attempt this question, that is question number 4, passing through 2, 3 and perpendicular to this line as well as this line. So our given lines are these. See, our given lines are, first line is 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the given line. Its slope m1 will be equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is minus a upon b, which is equal to minus 3 upon 2 will be the slope. But perpendicular line will have slope, therefore slope of perpendicular line. So perpendicular line to this line, its slope m1 dash, suppose we denote. So m1 dash क्या होगा? Negative and reciprocal of this, which is 2/3. Further दूसरी लाइन कौन सी है? ये x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So another line is x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is another line. Its slope, what is slope of this line? M2 say, which is minus a upon b is the slope formula. Minus a upon b means minus 1 upon minus 3, which is 1 upon 3. So slope of the perpendicular line, therefore slope of perpendicular line M2 dash is equal to इसका negative and reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of this? 3, and negative of that is minus 3. ये slope of the line which is perpendicular to this line, और ये slope of the line which is perpendicular to this another line. Say this one line and this another line. Then both the lines are passing through what point? 2, 3. So therefore their equation of line passing through the point x1 y1, point slope form. What is point slope form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is point slope form of the equation of line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is equation of line in slope point form. पहला slope है ये 2/3 and our line is passing through the point 2, 3. So its equation, see equation of line y minus y1. What is y1? Equation of line passing through this point, through the point 2, 3. Through the point 2, 3. It is y minus y1, y minus 3 is equal to slope. Slope क्या है? 2/3. Slope is 2/3. x minus x1, that is 2. So इसको हम simplify करेंगे. That is 3y minus 9. 3y minus 9 is equal to 2x minus 4. मतलब equation of line will be 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y, and this will be minus 5, sorry plus 5 is equal to 0. ये one line है. Say it is u is equal to 0. Then another line, see the next line is this. इसका perpendicular line का slope होगा -3 and this line is also passing through the point 2, 3. So equation of another line y minus y1, that is y minus 3 is equal to slope is -3 into x minus x1. What is x minus x1? So x minus 2, it is passing through this point 2, 3. Y minus y1, m is minus 3 and x minus x1, that is x minus 2. Simplify it. 3x plus y, 3x plus y, ये होगा minus of minus will be plus 6 and we are taking this in the left hand side, so it is minus 9 is equal to 0. 3x, then see this is what minus 3x and plus 6, we are taking it to the left hand side, minus 9 it will be, and this plus 3x and y. This is another line, say v is equal to 0. ये v is equal to 0 और ये u is equal to 0. Then their joint equation, what will be their joint equation? So their joint equation or combined equation. So what will be combined equation? Combined equation will be u into v is equal to 0. मतलब first equation is 2x minus 3y plus 5, or v is equal to 0 is this line 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. फिर इसका सिंप्लीफाई करो, इसको मल्टीप्लाई इट. दिस इज 6x square, 6x square and this is 2xy minus 9xy, then multiplied by this constant term. तो कांस्टेंट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस 18x, इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन ये कांस्टेंट टर्म से करेंगे तो 15x, देन y को मल्टीप्लाई करो माइनस ऑफ माइनस 27y, फिर ये y को इस कांस्टेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 5y, और कांस्टेंट का कांस्टेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो माइनस 45 इज इक्वल टू 0. सिंप्लीफाई करो आगे, 6x स्क्वायर, ये 2xy एंड दिस 9xy माइनस, सो माइनस 7xy, देन दिस इज व्हाट माइनस 3x, y स्क्वायर हमने छोड़ दिया है, तो y स्क्वायर इज व्हाट minus 3y and this y, so here it will be minus 3y square, then 2x is multiplied with constant term minus 18x, then 5 is multiplied with this 15x, minus 3y is multiplying with this 27y. Further, this 5 is multiplied with this, 5 is multiplied with, it is 5y, and constant is multiplied 45 is equal to 0. This we multiply, this we add, which is minus 7xy minus 3y square, and this gives minus 3x, this gives 32y, and minus 45 is equal to 0. This will be the joint equation of the lines. Okay, this is the joint equation of lines. We find joint equation of pair of lines passing through minus 1, 2. One is parallel to this line and the other is perpendicular to the another line. So what is to be done? First of all, we find slopes of the given line. If line is parallel, then slopes are equal. If line is perpendicular, then slope of the line is negative and reciprocal of the given line. Slope of the given line. तो एक लाइन इसको पैरेलल है, दूसरी लाइन क्या है, इसको ये लाइन को परपेंडिकुलर है, इस लाइन को परपेंडिकुलर है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू राइट द इक्वेशन ऑफ गिवन लाइन एंड फाइंड इट्स स्लोप. इस लाइन का स्लोप देखें. सो सॉल्यूशन x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the given line. Slope of the given line is minus a upon b, negative coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, which is minus 1 upon 3 is the slope of this line. One line is parallel to this line, so parallel है तो slopes equal रहते हैं. Therefore, slope of required line m1 that is equal to same because parallel है. तो parallel है तो same slope रहेगा, that is minus 1 upon 3. And this line is passing through this point minus 1, 2. Equation of line passing through the given point x1 y1 is given by y minus y1 m into x minus x1. ये है पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म ऑफ द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन। तो इसका इक्वेशन क्या होगा, y माइनस वाई वन इज इक्वल टू, वाई वन मतलब 2, m इज minus 1 upon 3 x minus x1 minus of minus 1 will be plus 2 plus 1, cross multiplication 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x minus 1, सारे टर्म हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेंगे, x plus 3y, ये minus 6 plus 1 that is minus 5 is equal to 0। ये मान लो आप u is equal to 0 लाइन है, then v is equal to 0 another line we find। listen, दूसरा लाइन क्या है, दूसरी लाइन 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0। see the given line is 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0। अब इस लाइन का स्लोप है, स्लोप ऑफ द गिवन लाइन is minus 2 upon minus 3। how it is, negative coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, so minus 2 upon minus 3 which is 2 by 3, 2 by 3। फिर इस लाइन को परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का स्लोप, स्लोप ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, ये क्या है, स्लोप ऑफ पैरेलल लाइन, दिस इज स्लोप ऑफ पैरेलल लाइन, अब ये स्लोप ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, slope of perpendicular line that will be say m2 which is negative and reciprocal, so it is this minus 3 by 2। अब इस लाइन का इक्वेशन क्या होगा, y minus y1, it is also passing through this point, y minus y1 is equal to ये इक्वेशन y minus y1 m into x minus x1, और m is this minus 3 by 2 into x minus x1, so x minus x1 means x minus of minus 1 plus 1 which will be, ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन लेंगे हम, 2y minus 4, फिर ये minus 3x minus 3, सारे टर्म्स हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेंगे, 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0। ओके, 3x प्लस 2y माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, ये एक लाइन, x प्लस 3y माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0 अनदर लाइन, से u इज इक्वल टू 0 और ये v इज इक्वल टू 0 है। सो इन दोनों का जॉइंट इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है हमको। सो जॉइंट इक्वेशन विल बी, देयरफॉर जॉइंट इक्वेशन will be what, u into v is equal to 0 is the joint equation। u is x plus 3y, x plus 3y minus 5, v is equal to 0 is this 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0। so इसको सॉल्व करना है हमको, 3x square, this 2xy और ये माइनस x, कंटिन्यू करो, 9xy प्लस 9xy, 6y square, then minus 3y minus 15x minus 10y plus 5 is equal to 0। so we rearrange the terms and we will be getting equation, finally we will be getting the equation 3x square 2xy and 9xy, it gives us 11xy, ये 11xy, then 6y square plus 6y square। while writing the equation ये फॉर्म में लिखना है, पहले x square then xy plus y square, फिर इसके बाद then x, तो x ये माइनस एक्स है एंड दिस इज माइनस 15, सो विच इज माइनस 16x. देन y टर्म लिखना है आपको, दिस y टर्म दैट इज माइनस 3y और ये माइनस 10y. See here minus 3y and minus 10y minus 13y, फिर 5 है प्लस लास्ट में 5 is equal to 0. So this is the joint equation of pair of lines passing through the minus 1 comma 2, and one is parallel to this and the other line is perpendicular to this. Is this 3x square 11xy 6y square minus 16x minus 13y and plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the required joint equation of lines. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के आगे के सॉल्व्स करेंगे. प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन so that you will get next notification. Thank you for watching.